Hi, Aviators. This week, ASI and Printing United Alliance announced a new dual membership for distributors, and as print fans, we're so stoked. If you're interested in leveling up with print, definitely check it out. Here's what Promo Pilot has for you in this issue. On the blog, we show you step by step how to send print-on-demand orders from liftoff to spoke custom. A popular file sharing tool in the industry has been acquired. What could that mean for you? That and more are on the radar. And updates from Brickle, Orderdesk, and Safsira appear in the release notes. Links for all of the content in this episode are available in the show notes and description. On the blog, we followed up on our Introduction to Orderdesk article with a full-blown tutorial. Learn how to use Orderdesk's liftoff commerce and spoke custom integrations to automatically fulfill print-on-demand orders. We show you how, step by step. On our radar, a file sharing tool that is popular in the print and promo industry has been acquired. Bending Spoons, the makers of Evernote, has acquired WeTransfer, with CEO Luca Ferrari expressing a commitment to nurturing and growing the brand. The acquisition aims to enhance WeTransfer's offerings while maintaining its strong connection to the creative community. The move signals a focus on innovation and improved user experience for WeTransfer's existing customer base. Stability AI has launched Stable Fast 3D, a revolutionary AI model that can quickly generate high-quality 3D assets from a single image. We're looking forward to the day when promo people can quickly create and send 3D models to customers and incorporate them into company stores. Finally, do you work with developers or conduct user acceptance testing for your company stores? There's a new website that provides a straightforward checklist designed to help you and your users create effective bug reports that will help speed along your projects. It emphasizes including essential items in bug reports to enhance communication and efficiency in software development. The site aims to streamline the reporting process, ultimately fostering better collaboration between you and your developers. In the release notes, Brickle has been hard at work on platform enhancements to elevate your store experience, including stability updates, new product options, and more. Orderdesk has a new integration with apparel supplier S&S Activewear. And Safsira has just released their new Shopify app, allowing you to easily integrate your store with top suppliers in print-on-demand and bulk purchasing. If you have something new to share with our readers, submissions are always welcome at promopilot.io/release-notes. Links for all of the content in this episode are available in the show notes and description. That's all for this episode. Check the description for relevant links to learn more about what you've heard. For more from Promo Pilot, visit promopilot.io. We'll see you amongst the clouds and all of the socials at Your Promo Pilot.